Slipknot here. Today I'm hanging out at MTW. My friend Kyle over here, he's working on his Vulcan. Don't buy one of those, please. Yeah, you know, just we got nothing else to do, and we got motorcycles to work on, so why not do some of that? Good old shade tree surge is supposed to be up here sometime soon. We'll see if that ends up happening. It's a sprinkling, so he decided to stay home for a bit and see if it passes. But, you know, situation being what it is, we're trying to make the best out of everything, and just been trying to avoid talking about it in general because it's not something I want to look back on in the future, but the situation being what it is what it is. So make the best out of the situation, have some fun with some motorcycles. A lot of you have been asking me about the Sportster, and there she is. This is where all the fun starts. And Josh and I are going to sit down and put down together a parts list and see what we can come up with in the very near future. So now, let's try to get a carburetor back into a goddamn Vulcan. Want to try this on for size?
Oh, yeah. Goddamn. Fucking yesterday was real shit show.
Oh, I saw the Instagrams. Oh, by the way, Kyle finally has an Instagram again after me threatening to put out his actual phone number. Put it down over there.
It works. Bum camera activate.
Yeah, we pretty much need to get it just floating in there again.
Removing this carburetor in and out of here 6 times now, even though it was absolutely difficult to get out the first time. Now we got to get these boots back in there. So, fun. Walk away.
Turn it on. Let's go ride.
As Kyle tries to figure out the rest of what needs to go, what happened with the Vulcan over there, I'm gonna go ahead and start figuring out how to put the fly screen on and start getting the tools for that. Nothing like spending $150 on a giant piece of plastic. That was easy enough. Now let's see how bad it is if mounted onto the actual motorcycle. like that a lot better.
Did we learn from last time? Oh, yeah, I guess we could put one side on, yeah.
Did we or did you?
What's that?
Did we learn last time or did you learn from last time?
Josh did. To videotape before we start fucking started flipping. So someone's arm goes up in flames again.
In case Kyle catches on fire, take one. Side.
Here, you can have it. We don't want it over here. Alright. That was cool. Came out both sides. So the boots are good.
Ooh. Yes. Crispy Kyle. That's a poor name.
Next up the stage, Crispy Kyle.
Yeah.
Try again.
Yeah, without starter fluid though. Right? With their choke? Yep. I'll do full choke now, so you shouldn't have to give it gas.
Alright, I gotta get this. I don't think it's totally vapor locked. I normally crush it if you run it. Fucking haunted motorcycle.
Possessed. You need to start taking the ground off. Yeah. Shut the fuel off too. Fucking fuck. Did you drive the van out here?
Yeah.
So you can take us home with you?
I'm gonna put it in the back and have the hatch open.
Fuck, dude, that was a new one for me there. I didn't know that was a possibility.
The funny thing is, like, it does that shit. I grabbed the key and you guys like, key, I'm like, oh.
Yeah, as soon as I saw you have the key, I'm like, we're in a weird spot, guys.
Oh, you weren't filming for that, were you?
Oh, I was.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, I saw him just looking at it like this. I'm like, okay, good, he's got it.
I'm just like, what? I didn't know what else to do but to look at the camera.
Oh, that was something I've never experienced before.
I've never had that happen.
I could do without that happening again.
I didn't know that could happen.
Dude.
Alright, so we had just about enough of that freaking Vulcan, and we decided to start a new project. Let's get her on the lift, because I will scoot all up and down this freaking warehouse and that thing. Chalk it. Here, I'll chalk it. Is it heavy enough to even fall over?
It was light enough to accidentally pick up.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, this part of the video is also going to double as a how to maintain your lawnmower video.
Oh boy.
All right, we took the carburetor off the Coleman, we cleaned it, and we accessorized with a new sissy bar. Let's see if it starts.
Does this thing have a spark plug?
No, it's a fucking diesel. Yes, that's a spark plug.
You should auto check that.
Oh, yeah. This is a real man's Coleman, man.
Coal man. Not a coal boy or a coal lady.
Did you ever hold it?
No, I held it, but I held it by like a part of the plug. When the spark it fucking jumped back and just lay there. She goes, no, no, no.
No success today. The Vulcan didn't work. It went crazy. It got possessed, and now the Coleman just decided that, you know, it wants to put up a fight. So I'm gonna call it a day right now. We'll probably come back and deal with this later. regardless, don't forget to like and subscribe. Catch you on the next one.